Hi viewers! Welcome to Cooking Index. Anyone can cook.
Today we are going to make Rahu fish vuna. We will need the following ingredients. 1. Rahu fish. 2. Onion. 3. Oil, soyabean/olive. 4. Red chili powder. 5. Turmeric powder. 6. Cumin powder. 7. Coriander powder. 8. Salt, sodium chloride. 9. Coriander leaf, optional. 10. Tomato, optional. Let the fish be washed properly. Add all sorts of spices with it. 1. Turmeric powder. 2. Red chili powder. 3. Coriander powder. 4. Cumin powder. Add salt as per your taste. Mix them properly. Fry the fish for a while in low temperature. Fry the chopped onion with little oil for a while. Add all sorts of spices with it and fry for a very short time. Then add water with it. Let it be boiled for 3/4 minutes. Put the pieces of fish one by one on the edge. Cover it for some time. Cut some tomatoes. And set them on that curry. Tips: don't use spoon here to keep the fish pieces intact. Set the tomatoes as like I did here. Wash some coriander leaves perfectly. Cut them and spread them on it. Cover the pot 5/7 minutes. The glamour, shining and glassy, and grammar, taste of this item is very high. You can't resist yourself. Do try it at home. Thank you for watching.